What's up, YouTube? So today we're gonna have a easy, fun brew cruise. Greg's gonna meet me here, and we're gonna leave from here, head through some woods, across a non-existent neighborhood, maybe? I don't know what you would call it. The houses were all tore down for a highway. Progress. But found a handful of trails here and there. I'm gonna try to work our way from the house to Salem Lake. As you can see, I've got the trusty Niner RLT ready to go. So we're probably going to go through a handful of neighborhoods and hopefully end up at Salem Lake. Hopefully. If not, we'll hop on the road and endure the traffic for a second. Also in today's episode, hopefully we'll be hitting up a handful of breweries. Still waiting on Greg. This is the neighborhood that is no more due to the highway coming in. It's like the zombie apocalypse or something crazy has hit. All right. Look at that dude haul. Question is, was my camera on the bike on?
I sure hope so. Mine was.
Yep. Well, I done think we done founded up us a beaver dam. Now we somehow have to figure out how to get across this creek. But we don't want to go across here because that's swamp. Finally made it to Salem Lake. It was a little rough getting here, trekking through the woods. All kinds of crazy stuff. Snakes, turkeys, deer, briars, mud holes. I think we found everything nature just in the first 2 miles. But we're here. So Greg, tell me about your bike.
It's black. 650B.
Nice, nice.
1 mile, 11 speed.
Are they round wheels?
Ovals.
Oval.
drop, you can't ignore it. I'm transforming now these cars and planes, I'm always boarding. Just out touring down in Charlotte like I play for Hornets. When I'm performing, never boring, now you can't afford it. Champagne Perrier, vintage friends on my face, looking like I'm from the deep. These no Cartiers, pockets deep, 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 bro. I can make it in my seat, bro. Do you, I'm doing me, bro. Making noise, use a beat, bro. Whoa, I press the button and the doors go off like, whoa. That money clip us now, the new now looks like, whoa. Upgrade her diamonds, now her girlfriends are like, whoa, whoa, whoa. Neighborhood on the scene, neighborhood on the strip, neighborhood be the name, neighborhood no crib, neighborhood that's me, neighborhood that's Nick, neighborhood do the dance, neighborhood do the deal. Okay, thought I'd never make it, like no way. I'm the real deal, no role play. My days off, that's no days. No, I hustle hard, young rose. E be the shooter, that's cold case. Those on the deals, that's brose. Got no pay, on no say. Okay, this the news, tell them read it. Been the one since the fetus. Don't sleep on me, Tempur-Pedic. That's a no, no, no. Spending dope for no reason. Got a ball head, Mr. Cleaner. Heard the big bags overseas, then we gon' go, go, go. Whoa, I press the button and the doors go off like, whoa. That money clip us now, the new now looks like, whoa. Upgrade her diamonds, now her girlfriends are like, whoa, whoa, whoa. I press the button and the doors go off like, whoa. That money clip us now, the new now looks like, whoa. Upgrade her diamonds, now her girlfriends are like, whoa, whoa.
Let me tell you, this was a ride. Chill to begin with, but within the first 2.5 miles, we found more obstacles, wildlife, mud, ruts, snakes, turkeys, deer, dogs, fences, swamps, beaver dams, creeks, mud, ruts, and mud. All in the first 2 miles. What a ride. I'm glad that it's over with now, but that was a lot of fun. I want to thank Greg for coming out and making this adventure a lot of fun. A lot of wildlife we got to see today. That was pretty awesome. Snake, deer, turkeys, a lot of fun. So if you made it this far in the video, go ahead and click the like button. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. You can also hit that bell to get notified on any other videos that I release in the future. So please do that. We'll catch you on the next adventure. Cheers. I got a devil's haircut in my mind.